Welcome back to Android Learning. In the last video, we started at go to line, which is nothing but ctrl+g, and today we will discuss about the shortcuts related to code. You can write a .xml file or you can write something in .java file. First, you want to know shortcut keys we were using while writing the code. To generate getters, setters, constructors and etc., the shortcut is alt+insert. Let's suppose I have this class named mainActivity.java. I want to write getter and setter for latitude and longitude. I will just click on alt+insert. You can see constructor, getters, setter. So basically generate window will open when we click on alt+insert. I will click on getter and setter. Here you can see latitude and longitude. I will select these two and I will click OK. You can find here that get latitude, set latitude, get longitude, set longitude. 4 methods were automatically created when I click on getters and setters. To open generate window, the shortcut is alt+insert. And to know what are all the methods that can be override in this class, click on ctrl+o. O is for override. You can see different methods which we can override. As we already know, our main activity is going to be extended with app_compat activity, so you can find methods from there also. You can see here our main activity is extending app_compat activity. So you can find different methods that you can override in this class. To see the overridden methods, click ctrl+o. To expand and to collapse methods, click ctrl++ and ctrl+-. Don't get confused and I will show you the real scenario. Let's see, this was a method. The method name is onRequestPermissionsResult. If I want to collapse this method, keep the cursor inside a method and click ctrl-. You can see the method was collapsed. And if you want to expand it, press ctrl+. That's it, it will expand. So to expand and to collapse the methods, shortcut is ctrl+ and ctrl-. And the next shortcut is duplicating a line. Let's suppose I have this line 124. I want to write the same code again. You can do a copy paste, but the shortcut is ctrl+d duplicate, ctrl+d duplicate. If you want 2 lines to be duplicated, select 2 and ctrl+d. 2 will be duplicated. If you don't want, press ctrl+j. That's it. So to duplicate, ctrl+d. And the next one is opening quick documentation lookup. Let's take this reference variable mLostLocation. I have the cursor here, and if I want to know quick lookup table, just click on ctrl+q. ctrl+q. You can see documentation for m lost location variable. It was telling that private location m lost location. I will click on this. You can see the overview of that class, why that class is going to be used. A data class representing a geographic location. You can see a location can consist of a latitude, everything, total documentation of that location will come. The shortcut for that is ctrl+q. You are in a method, or you are calling a method. You want to see different parameters that method is asking to you. You can click on ctrl+p to know the different parameters of the method. Let me call get current location address method from somewhere. Let me call from here. Get current location address. It will show double latitude, double longitude, but if I click on escape, they were gone, and now you don't know what parameter you should give. You may click on control and place the cursor. You will get to know that it was there at double latitude and double longitude, but the shortcut for this is ctrl+p. Then it will open that hint window again, saying that it will take two parameters, namely double latitude and double longitude. The shortcut to know the parameters in a method, it is ctrl+p. And to go to declaration, let's suppose m Google API client is this. If I want to go to the place where I have declared, click control and click it. You will go to the place where that was declared. And the next shortcut is opening quick definition lookup. Previously we have seen opening quick documentation lookup with the shortcut ctrl+q, and to open quick definition lookup, the shortcut is ctrl+shft+i. I was keeping the cursor here and ctrl+shft+i. You can see the definition of the latitude. I mean how you have declared that latitude to be, which is of type text view, and it is latitude. You can see the definition by ctrl+shft+i. Okay. And the next shortcut is commenting and uncommenting. To comment something, control /. If I want to comment this, control /. If I want to comment this, control /. And if I want to make uncomment, again do control /. It will uncomment. If you want to comment it, control /, and if you want to comment it, control /. And to make a block comment, what we have done is a single comment. But if you want to make a block comment, let's suppose you want to comment these three, control shift and then /. It will make a block. And if you want to uncomment it, control shift /. That's it. And the next shortcut is selectively increasing code block. Let me tell you this. I have the cursor here. I want to select from here to here. What I usually do is I'll click shift and I will press left arrow until I reach here. But if you want to do that as a shortcut, click ctrl+w. Again click ctrl+w. again click ctrl+w. It will successively take and it will select. To select successively increasing code block, click ctrl+w, and to decrease current selection to previous state, ctrl+shft+w. Okay. Now if I click ctrl+w, it was successively taking, and if you want to go back, ctrl+shft+w, you can go back. And the next shortcut is move to code block start. You have a method, this is method, but you want to keep your cursor to the start of the method. You understood? If you want to move code block start, my cursor is here, you want to keep your cursor to the start, then click control this brace, square brace, I mean this was opening square brace. It was going to the this block starting place. You can see I have cursor here. I was clicking control square bracket, I mean opening square bracket, it will go start, and your cursor, if you want your cursor to be close to end of the block, control closing square brace, your cursor will come. Okay, make a note down of all these things because they will be very useful for us. And to select code block start, ctrl+shift square bracket opening, ctrl+shift square bracket opening, it will select from the start. Let's suppose your cursor is here, and if you are typing ctrl+shift square bracket opening, it will select this much. And to do that to the end, you have the cursor here, you want to select till here, do ctrl+shift and closing square bracket, up to here it will select. And that's it for today. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.